Unit 3 environment. 3 environment. If a tree could talk, what would it say? Tree? Yes.
Don't chop me down. Just walk away.
Very good. River. If a river could talk, what would it say?
River, don't dump in trash. Throw it away.
Throw it away.
Throw it away.
Yes, good. If the air could talk, what would it say?
Air. The factories must learn to keep
Smoke
smoke
away. Very good. If the animals could talk, what would they say?
Animal help us to
Live. We.
wish to say.
Very good. If the earth could talk, what would it say?
Earth
Protect me.
Protect me by every day.
Making.
Making every day Earth Day.
Very good. Thank you.